Hello everyone, I hope you are doing great. Today we are going to define materials, and after defining material we're going to define sections. In section properties we have many things you can use. You can define frame sections, tendon sections, slab sections, deck sections, wall sections, reinforcement bar size, link support properties, and frame wall and panel zone. But the important thing is that we are not going to understand all of them now. We are going to use frame section for now. After adding frame section, you see here we have many frame sections. From you see we have a lots of frame section in the names. If you study civil engineering or work somewhere, you already know some of them by the American Society code. But the important thing is that, like the material section, we have import new properties, add new property, add copy of property, and modify show property. And also we have delete property, delete multiple properties, and convert to ST section, copy to ST section. Okay, what are them? Delete property, it's already know what is it, and delete the property, and it can delete multiple properties, and we can modify it like the past. And when we click on modify, we can change the detail, and also we can add a copy of and add a new of, and also import new properties. You can add it or import it. Okay, so we understand what we are going to do. But here from the type you can change what you want. You want a steel wind flange, a steel channel, a steel T, a steel angel, a steel double angles, and a steel double channel, a steel tube, a steel pipe. These are for steel structures, and it also has concrete rectangle, concrete circle, and also a lot of concrete T. When you select some of them, it's going to show you all the profiles that he has under that filter. When we clear it, everything go to back. Okay, I hope you understand a little about this. In the next video, we are going to add and modify our concrete section. Until then, have a nice time.